Hi, I'm Jim Duby, and welcome to the Geneva Wilderness Area. This property was the first natural lands property that Seminole County opened for public access in 1996. It's home for the Ed Yarborough Nature Center and serves as a trailhead for the Flagler Trail. Let's get started. Is that Jessica from Orlando North?
It's not Jim Duby.
Are you stalking me?
I think you're stalking me.
You don't need that. You've got me.
You're right. You know the trails.
Like this right here.
Yes, let's go.
Like the back of my hand.
All right, if we get lost, then it's on you.
So, did you say you had breakfast?
I did.
Oh, well, how adventurous are you?
I mean, like on a scale of 1 to 10, like probably an 8.
3.
Oh, wow.
This is smilax vine.
Okay.
And they say that the growth tips taste like asparagus. You like asparagus?
I do.
You gonna try it?
Sure. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, that was poison ivy. Does it taste like asparagus?
It kind of does.
Okay, there you go.
It's not bad. I'm not dead.
Jessica, this is called scrub habitat. It could be oak scrub or sandpine scrub, but it's also, there's another term called xeric, which is just dry. So in Florida, the scrub habitat is the highest, driest habitat. So the rain falls on the ground and soaks in very quickly.
Okay.
So a lot of the plants and the animals have to adapt to those hot, dry conditions.
Interesting.
Oh, here's a neat plant. This is called tar flower. And it's called tar flower because the petals are sticky.
Oh, wow,
See
yeah.
that? Yeah. So the kids at camp here, we have summer camp going on, they like to take one and put it by their eye, like a little teardrop.
Aw, wait, that's cute.
Nature's makeup.
Yes. Hashtag fashion.
Jessica, there are about 4 or 5 different types of wild blueberries in Florida that are edible. This little plant here is called shiny blueberry, and we're right at the end of their fruiting season, so we've got a few that are ripe, these little dark ones. You have to remember that there are other berries out there too that can make you sick. So unless you know what you're picking, or you have somebody that knows, somebody that you can trust.
Can I trust you?
Yes,
Okay.
We'll find out. How are they?
They're good.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, very good. Oh, look, it's a fishing pier.
It is.
Wow.
Have you ever fished before?
I have.
Okay, you're an old pro then. Right.
I wouldn't say that, but
I've got a pole and some bait. We'll see how good you do.
let's go.
We should also see some good wildlife out here. We usually have a lot of wading birds. And you can see some great egrets over there.
Yeah.
All right,
All right.
there you go. 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 Real, 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 real. There you go.
Big one.
You got a bluegill.
A bluegill.
You have to kiss it goodbye.
No.
No?
I'm
Your
good.
lips.
I'll blow it a kiss.
All right.
Hi, sir. Thank you for eating.
This is our south campsite. If you like primitive camping and hike in only. So it's about a mile hike from the front parking lot to here. And no electricity. There is there's a bathroom, and primitive camping wise, it's actually a nice bathroom. It's got flush toilets.
So do you have to do something specific to camp here?
You do, but it can be done online through the Leisure Services Department's website. There's a reservation system where you can reserve this campsite or the group campsite up front.
Cool. Jim, where are we?
We're at the Ed Yarborough Nature Center at the Geneva Wilderness Area.
Okay.
And I thought I would go in there, step in there, and come back out with a surprise for you. We have lots of ambassadors to our program.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go in there and bring one out.
All right. I'm excited.
So this is our resident eastern indigo snake. Indigo snake's a really special snake. It's listed as threatened in Florida. They're very, very rare. They're the largest native snake to North America.
Wow.
They've been known to get to 8.5 feet long. So she's only about half grown. Most indigo snakes, even wild ones, which you're not allowed to do, but if you were to pick one up, most wild ones aren't going to bite you. I say most. I have been bit by one and it's not a fun experience.
It's been another awesome adventure.
Been my pleasure. Until next time.
Until next time.